Hello class 6 students. In revision 2 of your second chapter, Components of Food, we will discuss today vitamins and minerals. First, we will see what is the role of vitamin, what is its type, what are its food sources, and what is its function. As you know very well that vitamin help in protecting our body against various diseases. They also help keep our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. They control many metabolic reactions. Vitamins can broadly be divided in two categories. First one is fat soluble vitamin and second one is water soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamin, when you will wash it in water, after cutting it in small pieces, it will come in water. That's why it is always suggested, if you are taking any vegetables, fruits which contains water soluble vitamins, you will wash it before cutting. Vitamins are broadly divided in two categories: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. What are its function? First you will see it and then you will look at its sources. Vitamin A keeps skin healthy, maintain normal night vision. What is sources? Its sources are cod liver oil, egg yolk, milk and dairy products, mangoes, carrot, tomatoes and green leafy vegetables. You can say that in yellowish fruit, vitamin A are present. Now come to the vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a main role in keeping our bones healthy. It aids in the normal growth of bones in children. What are its sources? Fish, egg, cod liver oil, milk. Sunlight also helps our body to make vitamin D. Now come to the third one, which is vitamin E. It aids in normal reproduction, keeps the skin healthy. What are its sources? Whole grain cereals, cotton, seed, oil, milk, meat, green leafy vegetables, tomato, sprouts, wheat, etc. Now come to last fat soluble vitamin. It is vitamin K. What is its role? It helps in blood clotting. What is its sources? Spinach, cabbage and other green leafy vegetables. Egg, milk also are its sources. Now come to the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B1, B2, B6, B9, B12 and vitamin C. When we see vitamin B1, we find that it helps in digestion and maintenance of nervous system. What are its sources? Egg, meat, milk, sprouts, green vegetables, wheat and whole grains are its sources. Now come to the vitamin B1. Keeps skin and buccal cavity healthy. Its sources are eggs, milk, green vegetables, peas, cherries and raisins. Now come to vitamin B6. Essential for normal functioning of brain. What are its sources? Yeast, whole grain, fish, meat and legumes. Now come to vitamin B9. What is its function? Formation and maturation of blood cell. Its sources are green leaf vegetables, fruits, yeast, liver and kidney. Now come to vitamin B12. It helps in formation of RBCs. What are its sources? Meat, egg, fish and milk. Now come to Last water soluble vitamins, it is vitamin C. It provides resistance to infection. What is sources? Citrus fruit like lemon, orange and lime, tomatoes, guavas, amla and sprouts. You can see here all are sour in taste, and it contains which vitamin? Vitamin C. Now we will see what are the sources of mineral and what is its function. Look at minerals. You know very well minerals are protective nutrient. Our body needs them in a small amount as compared to other nutrients. All of them are essential for proper growth and maintenance of good health. They are divided as follow. You can see here macrominerals and microminerals both. Here in table, some minerals are given, its function and sources are also written there. You can see here minerals are calcium, iron, iodine, phosphorus, sodium and potassium and fluorine. What are the sources of calcium? Calcium, its sources are milk, milk product, beans, whole grain, cereals, green leafy vegetables, meat and fish. And what is its role? It keeps bones and teeth healthy, helps in clotting of blood. Now come to the iron. What are its sources? Liver, red meat, green leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, cereals and pulses. What is its function? Formation of hemoglobin. Now come to iodine. Iodine, production of thyroxine hormone by thyroid gland is its function. And what is its sources? Iodized salt, seafood, fish and onion. Now come to phosphorus. Phosphorus, what is its role in our body? Helps in the formation of bones and teeth. And what are its sources? Milk, bajra, ragi, nuts, green leafy vegetables, fish and meat. Now come to sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium maintains body water balance, conduction of nerve impulse and muscle contraction. It plays main role in our body. And what is sources? Salt, green leafy vegetables and citrus food. Now come to the fluorine. Fluorine keeps bones and teeth healthy. What are its sources? Its sources are milk and seafood. Now you have seen what are the roles of minerals and vitamins in our body, how it protects our body from different types of diseases. Now, thank you.